What are you doing? You sitting there all nice and pretty. Yeah. Look at you. Look at you. Kato. Good. No. Doodle. Oh, this is the closest thing to a hug I've ever gotten from her. She just kind of... someone's gonna knock me off. The look on Murphy's face. His tongue was like just barely poking out of Murphy's face. No, no jumping. What? You don't bite. Roscoe. What? Why are you yelling at me? Why are you yelling at me? No, Doodle, down, sweetheart. Thank you. What? Why are you yelling at me? I don't understand. Oh. Get over here. Get over here. Oh, my big guy. Yes. Oh, Brody. Oh, Brody. Roscoe. Thank you. Murphy. Murphy, you're such a wiggly boy. Storm. It's not quite lunchtime yet. It's always hungry. Roscoe, come on. Why? Underdog. Undies. Easy. Undies. Easy. Okay?
Roscoe!
It's okay.
Roscoe!
Kato. No. Tighten. Oh. Thank you. What? Yes, I know you're being a good boy. I know you are. Sam. Underdog. Okay. Okay. Yes, I know, baby. I know, baby. Undies. Mind your own business. Roscoe. Roscoe. Hungry. Storm. Come here. Come here, Stormy. No, you're not Storm. Come here, Storm.
Roscoe!
Stormy. Stormy, come here. Come here.
What are you doing?
Come here. No.
Silly girl.
I want to go in. I'm hungry. Roscoe. Come on now. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. There's my houndy boy. Here's my houndy boy. Hello. Yes, hello. Oh, stop it. I heard you. No. 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 No jumping. Murphy. Get down, buddy. Come on. Wookie. What's the matter? Roscoe's not playing with me today. Joey. Joey. Joe. Thank you. Whoa, Wookie. I know. Roscoe's very interested in Mom. I'm sure he'll play with you later. Yeah. Oh, Gunner wants to play. Easy, boys. Easy. Oh, look at you go. Huh? Easy, gentlemen. What are you doing? Hi, sweetie. Hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful. You brushed. You got slobber. You got slobber. Oh, hello, honey pie. It's no big deal. Good girl, you finally ventured away from the door. I know. We will go in, I promise. We'll go eat. Yes, we'll go eat. Hi, baby. What are you doing? You sweet boy. I know, baby.